Looking for a natural way to boost immunity, fight inflammation, and start your day energized? Try this rich homemade ginger shot. What you need. You'll need fresh ginger, lemon, honey, water, and optionally turmeric and black pepper for an extra kick. Truth is that this immune-boosting drink is very flexible. Whatever ingredient you add apart from ginger and lemon is totally up to you. So you can as well add garlic, honey, orange, or remove any other ingredients listed depending on availability and taste. Step 2. Peel and chop the ginger into small pieces to make blending easier. Step 3. Add the chopped ginger, juice of 1 lemon, honey, and water into a blender. If you're adding turmeric and pepper, now's the time. Step 4. Blend for 30 to 60 seconds until smooth and rich. Step 5. Pour through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the pulp. Step 6. Pour your ginger shot into a small glass bottle. Keep refrigerated and take a shot daily. This powerful ginger shot helps digestion, fights colds, and gives a natural energy boost. Try it out and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy home hacks.